it's Mariana and welcome back to a new video. It's finally Halloween. I mean, I know it's just the beginning of October, but it's basically Halloween. Here I am to show you guys some super cheap Halloween stuff that I've gotten throughout the week. So the first thing I got, well, this is not something I got, but I do want to show you guys. It is a little Salem witch that my brother got me from Salem. She is literally too cute. I just love her. She's just worth mentioning because she's super soft and I love her. So the first thing I got is this little pumpkin. I haven't carved it yet, but I literally got it from Walmart for like $4 or $5 and it's awesome. Like, I love it so much because your girl's ready to do some pumpkin carving and I might do it for a video, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, no, it's super cheap. You don't even have to worry too much about it, which I love. It's great. I also got this from Walmart. This is a little pumpkin. It's white with black polka dots and a sparkly little stem. And this was 98 cents. Like, super cheap. It's really, really light. But it's just great if you want to add a little decoration to your house. And there was a lot more designs than just the white pumpkin with the black sparkles. There was like multiple ones, but this is the one that I really wanted. So, and I really like it. It's really cute and I love it. These are not that cheap, but it wasn't that bad. I got this from Bath & Body Works. I got a few little hand sanitizers from Bath & Body Works. So one of these is this Spells Divine hand sanitizer. It looks like that. I don't know if y'all can see that. It smells like very berry-ish, but it's cute and it's pink and it's sparkly and I love it. Another one that I got is this pumpkin cupcake, which is, oh my god, it's so good. It's not too sweet because it still has that pumpkin flavor, but it is pretty sweet and it's a hand sanitizer and it's just making me fall in love with like autumn even more and more. Also, I got, honestly, I should have just done a Bath & Body Works haul, but I got this hand sanitizer. I need to take out out of my hand sanitizer case. Oh, it was literally my favorite scent from last year, and it's a marshmallow pumpkin latte. Oh, bitch. It smells so fucking good. It looks like that, and I was dying to get it for a candle. It's so good. I got it as a hand sanitizer. I also got this little hand sanitizer, which it's a little UFO panda, which I needed to get because it's a fucking panda. Like, who do you think I am? So I love that. That was great. And this one, oh my god, I love it so much. I'm so excited. Okay, so I really wanted to get something like Halloween-esque, and I found this candle holder, which is so fucking cute. Okay, so it's this. It's silver. It was like $14.50. I'm gonna try to focus on it, and it has the spider web with some pumpkins. On this side, it has this little tombstone that says RIP, and this RIP is actually glow in the dark. There's another sparkly pumpkin. There's like a haunted house, which is really cute. There's also this moon and this skeleton dog, which these two are glow in the dark as well. There's also this witch, and right here on her, which I don't know what it is, like her neck, a scarf, I don't know. Her scarf and her hat, this little strip right here is glow in the dark. Then you see a little cauldron with like a whole bunch of sparklies, fumes and stars coming out of it, and it's so cute. So I've been literally obsessed with this. I've been putting my candles in it, even though I don't have a freaking fall or Halloween style candle. I'm dying to get one, but I had to get this because this is literally too fucking cute. Like, I'm obsessed with it. So that was $14.50. All of these normally are $1.75, but it's like, if you buy 5, it's like $7, you know? So like, these hand sanitizers are worth it. This particular like Halloween decoration I got about 2 years ago at Target, but it is these little jack-o'-lantern lights that I've mentioned in past videos before, but it is like that. Super cute. It comes with 10 strands. It was probably like, it was in that clearance section of Target as soon as you walk in, and it was probably like $2-3, and it's also battery operated, so it's easily turned off and on. It's super cute. I love it. I always put it out during this time of year. It's great. And then my 2 favorite decorations. As if those weren't enough, I got these pumpkin garland. It's literally just a cutout with some like string kind of thing, and it comes with 10. It's pretty long. It's about like 2 meters or something like that, which is relatively long. Like you can see, like it's going. And this was 98 cents, which I'm absolutely in love with because I can just have these for like such a long time. And yeah, it comes with 10 pumpkins, 10 jack-o'-lanterns, I should say. And this is great because it's easily one of those things that you can put up at a Halloween party or whatever the case may be. So this one is great and I really love it. Also, about like 2 weeks ago, I had strep throat, so my brother was very sweet, and to make me feel better, he bought me a little Jack Skellington, and he's so cute. He's actually a dog toy, which he didn't notice at the time, which I'm like totally cool with. He got this from Walgreens. I don't remember how much it was. It was probably less than $5, but you know what? I don't care because I love Nightmare Before Christmas and he's great. So I just put him next to a Sally I got for Christmas many, many years ago. This is her. So I just put them next to each other, wrap his arms around her, and they're meant to be. It's so cute. I love putting them next to each other. And yeah, I love it. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you guys today, I know this has been a super short video, but there's many more videos coming this month, and it is also another pumpkin garland. This was about $4.98, so like $5 again at Walmart. Walmart has some good stuff around this time of year, and it is this jack-o'-lantern garland. It's black and orange string with these little plushy pumpkins, and they're like almost like a hacky sack with little green stems and the thing, and it's just so cute. And as much as I love this, like I keep looking at it and I'm like, oh my god, this is one of those DIY things that I could have easily done by myself. It's $5, but it's so cute. So this has been hanging around my room. So if you guys see all these Halloween decorations throughout this month, please enjoy it. And yeah, these are some super cheap and super cool Halloween decorations that I've gotten this month. I'm probably gonna get more because I am a fiend for anything Halloween. Let's be real. Just like any other major holiday of the year. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe for all of. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more Halloween videos, they will be coming up. And yeah, this is awesome. Thank you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time.